You're looking at a fully custom mahogany bathroom vanity. I built every single piece of it myself right here in Nairobi, Kenya. No carpenter, no contractor. Just timber, tools, and a plan. Welcome to DIY in Africa, where we prove you don't need to outsource everything. Let me walk you through this build step by step, from raw timber to the finished vanity you just saw. Step 1. Building the frame. The first thing I did was build the basic cabinet box. 4 sides, a middle shelf, open front. I used mahogany timber throughout. Cut the boards to size, then glued and screwed everything together. Always check your corners with a set square before the glue dries. If your box isn't square at this stage, nothing will sit right later. Step 2. Internal compartments. I added shelf dividers using plywood, splitting the lower section into 2 compartments. One for storage, one left open for the plumbing pipes. Never seal everything off inside the cabinet. You need access to those pipes for installation and future maintenance. I also cut a drain hole through the top panel. Get this measurement right. It needs to line up perfectly with the sink drain. Step 3. Sand, stain, and seal. Start with 60 grit sandpaper, then 120 grit for a smooth finish. Mahogany has a beautiful reddish-brown color. The stain just deepens it. Finish with 2 coats of varnish sealant. A bathroom is a wet environment. Sealing the wood is not optional. Step 4. Test fit. Before any permanent drilling, I placed the sink on top to check positioning. Check the overhang on all sides and make sure the cabinet is perfectly level. Always fix problems while everything is still movable, not after you've drilled into tiles. Step 5. Fitting the faucet. I drilled the faucet hole and fitted the tall chrome vessel faucet. The chrome contrasts beautifully against the warm mahogany wood. Connected the water supply hoses underneath and tightened all fittings. Warning: do not over-tighten into ceramic. Hand tight plus a quarter turn is enough, or you will crack the sink. Step 6. Final install. Cabinet goes against the wall. Plumbing connected underneath. I ran GP sealant around the sink base and along the wall edge. Left it to cure overnight. And here it is, the finished vanity. Mahogany cabinet, white ceramic vessel sink, chrome faucet, wooden mirror above. Built entirely by hand in Nairobi. No contractor. Pure DIY in Africa. If this gave you the confidence to try your own build, please subscribe. This is just the beginning of DIY in Africa. Comment below, what room would you renovate first? See you in the next one.